Suddenly, a meteorological radar registers the presence of a cloud, but it's not clear how did this happen. The answer seems to be that this was the result of a military experiment. What are these mysterious trails and what is their purpose? We'll try to find out. Military planes from a German federal army are manipulating our climate. This is what the weather researchers are presuming, and their suspicions are confirmed. Sinister clouds up to 350 long appear all of a sudden on the radar, but only on meteorological radars. The first time it happened was in the summer of 2005 and then in March of 2006. The German army has admitted having war exercises towards the borders with the Netherlands. For Kirsten Brandon, meteorologist, this is the answer to the enigma. Kirsten Brandon says the Federal Army is manipulating meteorological maps. We can state with a 97% certainty that we have on our hands chemtrails, chemicals, comprised of fine dust containing polymers and metals used to disrupt radar signals. This is their main purpose. But I was surprised that this artificial cloud was so widespread. The radar images are stunning considering the needed tons of dispersal elements. Although the Federal Army claims that only small amounts of materials were propagated, the military heads claim that the substances used are not harmful. The registers report emissions of chemtrails at low altitude. In the United States of America, there are protests after protests for many years now against the military operations, and now people are mobilizing in Germany as well. For example, Jan-Wells Ramel of the Greens. It is obvious that enormous regions are being polluted with clandestine actions, but all of this has to be made public. The government must provide explanations to the unsuspecting population. Yet the story continues. In the following 3 weeks, the instruments register other activities of suspicious aircraft, similar to the previously mentioned, above the areas of Germany. Meanwhile, the satellite imagery is clearly counterfeited by the military. From our observations, we can conclude that they fly over the regions of Westphalia, the Ruhr zone of Saxony and Hamburg, forming really dense layer of aircraft cloud cover. After the first discovery, Kirsten Brandt has filed a legal charge against unknowns for weather manipulation, based on his careful verification and data gathered by radar, through which he documented every anomalous cloud formation.